Yeah. Good. Okay, here we go. He's here. Okay, catch you later. Thank you, huh? Bye.
Yeah, I need some subpoenas. Can I get some subpoenas? I was arrested on Friday, so I need to start subpoenaing some information.
For?
Well, I think the target cameras, I need to subpoena those. I need to subpoena the police records for the arresting officers.
You don't need any, if you need you don't need a subpoena.
Yep.
No, hang on. You were just arrested. You haven't even been to court yet.
Well, yeah, I need to talk to the prosecutor. Where is the prosecutor?
Did you get a ticket?
Yeah.
Where, can I see it?
Well, it's in my car. It's...
Oh, okay, not a problem, not a problem. To go to get us all the records on the police department, all you do is go to the police department.
No, I don't want to do an FOIA. I'm a defendant now. I'm not gonna
open records.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
I'm a defendant, so I need.
There's nothing to subpoena. I can't.
For a trial. It's for a trial. I have to defend myself for a trial.
The trial hasn't even been set yet.
Yeah, it's been set. It's in July. So I need to.
There's a trial in July.
Well, I mean, I have a court date. But I need all the evidence before I decide whether I plead guilty or not guilty. So I need to do a discovery. It's Hines. I need to do a discovery request, but that's not with you. Well, I don't know. I need to be able to get an email for the prosecutor and the judge, and then I can submit my discovery request.
You submit the discovery request through here.
Yep. But the prosecutor needs one. The judge and the prosecutor need copies. There's, several copies. It's it's Heinze, H-E-I-N-Z-E.
And you just got this ticket?
Yeah, it was on Friday night, so it's you probably won't have it in your.
In the system.
Yeah.
Not if you got it Friday.
But I'm.
Okay, I can't fill out anything until I get the ticket.
No, you got a form, a paperwork that I can look at, the subpoena, the paperwork that I can see. I don't need to fill it out right now, but I need to see it. I need to, start the process, get familiar with this. So, who gives subpoenas?
The judge does. She signs them and we give them.
Well, I can't talk directly to the judge. That'd be ex parte.
You want to see a blank copy of a subpoena?
Well, your form, the form. I mean, not a blank. No, I want the form. Like you pre-fill out the information that I fill in. Is it on the? What's that?
Nothing.
Is it on the internet by chance? Is there? You don't. Maybe you don't keep. Forms that we fill out. You expect me to just write one myself?
Basically, all you do is just fill out a blank sheet that you're requesting a copy of the report from the police department. You go to the police department, you submit that.
Okay.
That's all you do.
All right. Well, I have a copy from Kentucky. I could use the form for the subpoena that I have from Kentucky and submit that to you guys. And it's a subpoena. But it may not be the exact form you're used to seeing.
Yeah, I'm not worried about what the form is or where it's from. I just need before I can do anything, I have to get a copy of the ticket.
Yeah.
I have to get it in here to start the process.
Yeah, and I need to talk to the prosecutor.
You won't see the prosecutor until that date.
Okay. So when I make my discovery request.
Hang on. This date here, on the top of your ticket.
Yeah, it's in July.
Okay. That's the day that you are assigned a court date.
Yep.
That is the date that you will talk to the prosecutor at the
time. All right. And it's whether I plead guilty or not guilty, right?
You can plead guilty or not guilty. Yes.
Okay. I'm not going to plead. If I go to that court date, I'm not going to plead because I don't have any evidence.
Okay.
I need to see the evidence before.
Okay. And I don't even think the police report is done yet.
Well, they got body cams. I mean, I want to get them, let them know. I want to let them know ahead of time.
That's fine. That's why you fill out your own sheet of paper. Just say that you are requesting, and that's all you have to do.
It's a discovery request. It's not an FOIA. There's a difference between a discovery request and an FOIA.
Okay.
You know that?
And then I can't even do that because I don't have any numbers that you can subpoena, any reports.
I talked to the prosecutor about this. That's.
When did you talk to the prosecutor?
No, I need to. I need.
And we'll talk in July.
All right. I don't understand why there's no contact before that.
Because he doesn't have any reports. He has nothing.
Because I
can't even talk to you, sir, because he doesn't even know who you are.
When he gets the reports, I want to let him know. I want to let him know that when he gets the reports, I want copies of those.
Yeah, and then you can do that too. That's not a problem.
And I don't.
What you can do in July.
Yeah.
Is by that time he will have everything that he needs.
And okay.
Let me just finish. By that time he will finish. You can get the case adjourned in July, so that you can look at everything completely and make a determination.
That's the thing. I'm a traveler, so I don't know how it's presented. I don't know how I would get the body cams. If he's given a CD, I'm not going to really be here because I want to be traveling.
You still do everything by Zoom.
Yeah, but I'm not going to get the body cams by Zoom. Okay, there's a format. It's probably through Axon.
And they have all the forms that you'll need for open records.
Okay.
And they have the form that they give you for open records.
That's
what it is.
What I do is I'm going to go to the police station. I'm going to say the clerk of court says that I can do a discovery request through you guys.
Open records.
Nope, it's a discovery.
No discovery in municipal court.
Well, then I want to transfer it to district.
Yeah, you haven't even been to court yet.
Well, I request to. No, I can request to be transferred before the court.
OWIs. You have to have a hearing first before you even get transferred.
Yeah, and I want an earlier hearing date. I know you have something today, and I have the Zoom. I'm gonna log on. Do you?
We don't have any of your records. We have no record, complaints, nothing yet.
Okay.
I don't even have a ticket.
Well,
you're not on the docket.
I just want to make it known that when you get your the copies of body cams and police report.
As soon as I see the reports, as soon as I see the ticket, get it into our system. I'll be able to help you.
Yeah.
It's not like you're being defaulted or anything. You have a court date in July.
How long do you think there's a wait until you get the reports?
Well, we have court today, so hopefully today I'll be able to go over there and get it.
All right. Well, I know it's 4 o'clock, so
I have other things that have to get done to prepare for court.
Okay, I can log on to Zoom and
log on to Zoom if you want.
All right, and you probably approve that. Do you record the hearings?
If there's a hearing, yes.
Okay. Yeah. And I don't know the program for that I'm interested in, but you probably don't want to tell me that records in the courtroom. It's probably through Zoom.
It's through Zoom.
Okay, they do all that. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is really a difficult situation for me. I normally talk to the prosecutor beforehand.
Yes, you talk to the prosecutor beforehand, but I don't have anything to give him, or I have.
No, they don't need anything.
Yes, they do. They need a copy of the police report.
I could tell them that I was arrested on Friday.
There's nothing they can do until they see all the reports.
Well, I just want to give them a message that I want.
Okay, hang on.
Okay, I request. Yeah, I'll just write a message if they're accessible. I request.
At the table.
Okay. Yep. All right. All right. Yeah, I want to. So you don't want to see my subpoenas? You think I should just send them directly to the police station?
Well, you're not doing a subpoena.
I want to subpoena their training records and their discipline records. So usually it goes through the clerk of courts, but if you don't want to see it, I mean, I'll try to go straight through the police station. They'll probably tell me that you'll need to approve it. Yeah, I have a more professional. Oh, you want to read?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that. Okay, once I get all the paperwork from the police department, etc., and see what they have. This will be, and I can get a
Yeah.
copy to the village attorney. The village attorney will read it and.
Yeah, I mean, I have a more professional way of
This is fine.
submitting this. I mean,
Okay.
I kind of wrote something before this, but you know, I'm going off the top of my head with this.
Okay. This is
So-
fine. What you're looking for is
Oh.
all seated here.
If I remembered everything, I can't quite remember.
Yeah, that's fine.
I,
Okay, what I have to do now is start getting all the paperwork
for the trial, for the court
trials and
tonight.
all the other courts tonight.
Okay, all right.
Get back with us in a few days.
Oh, a few days. Okay.
Well, by the time we get the reports, I don't have them.
And you're open at 10?
Pardon me?
You're open at 10?
Yes, usually.
Okay, all right.